Technology install data provides valuable insights into the hardware and software used by existing or potential customers. It enables you to segment accounts based on an organization's current technology stack. At Demand Science, we track over 120 million hardware and software installations worldwide, empowering you to pinpoint opportunities, tailor communications, and prioritize accounts more effectively. Let's run through an example of how to use this filter. Say you're a sales rep for a company that offers a marketing automation solution that integrates seamlessly with Salesforce CRM. Your goal is to target companies that are currently using Salesforce, as they're more likely to benefit from your product. By knowing that your target accounts use Salesforce, you can personalize your communications to highlight the seamless integration and specific benefits your solution offers to Salesforce users. This tailored approach not only captures the interest of your prospects, but also helps differentiate your product from competitors.